Welcome guys. In this video lesson, I'll explain how I made this flyer design for a clothing brand. Stick with me to the very end. I'm going to show you how I made it starting from scratch to finish. I know you're looking at it and you're like, oh, this Photoshop book, this is not Photoshop book. I made everything start to end inside of CorelDRAW, and you can do the same in any version of CorelDRAW you are using. If you stick with me to the very ending of this video. Now let's get straight to it. I always say in my video, if you're new to my channel or if it's already subscribed, you're welcome to another tutorial again. So I always say in my video that when designing, first difference, you need the company's name, company's logo, company's catchy topic, company's element, that's their image to represent the company, their address, phone number, and location. That is all you need. I'll recap that one more time. Then company's name, company's logo, company's motto, company's catchy topic, company's element, that's picture they are known for, that picture that represents their what they do, company's address, and how you can contact them, that's social handles. So that's all you need for a flyer, no more than what I just said. Now without wasting more time, let's get straight into the video. Now, first thing first, I always like to use 10 by 10. I already talked about functional key. Use that's from F1 to F12. F12. That's it. Those are your functional keys. I'm using 10 by 10 inch. You can see my cursor. See in this object size. I'm using 10 by 10. Then click on enter. Go back to your pick tool. Then F4. Let's size this one like this. Okay, very good. I think it's like this now. Let's see if it's straight. Okay, I think yeah, it's like that. This is a ruler. I always tell you as a beginner to always make sure you use your ruler. The reason be because so you know what you are doing. So ruler they are guideline for any of your design. So let's continue. I always tell you first of all you need background. You need to bring your background. I'm not going to start looking for background. I'm just going to bring my background from here. Control C just to copy my background. Finish. Control V. That's my background. Then I'll paste it instead of this other one. Effect, add object, power clip, this side of frame, then side of that. You see that just went straight. So if you can see my cursor like this, see here, see it's straight. But I can make little adjustment to it just to take it down a little bit. Yeah, like this. Let's see. And finish. You can see that. So got it down correctly. And how did I get this my background? Very quick, you can go and generate it from Gemini. Just search pink um with white glow in center. Then this wall, you can just describe it. Let me just zoom it one more time. You just can see this wall. Just describe what you are seeing. The Irish give you little expo. Pink by pink wall with white glow in the center. This slab for demarcation. Then the wall on the ground, just like that. It will be like in the room. That's we just describe it perfectly the way I just explained it. Describe it like that. Then Gemini is going to give you something like this. Make sure to give every detail, so you're going to get something like this. And after that, then this you can see this drawing. I did do this one. I got it from Pinterest. Is I just you just search clothing brand logo. You see, you see a lot of them, but if you just look properly, you see this one. After that, I saw a comment section on one of my video. He said I should, because of him, that's why I'm explaining detail like this. Just go into Pinterest. It has an app or website, pinterest.com. Search for clothing brand company. I'm going to drop every single thing I searched, so you could do the same and get the same results. So after that, you download it, then head over to removebg.com. That's in Chrome or in your Safari using Apple. That's that one. Then I'm just going to copy it. This aesthetic thrift, I use this bird of paradise personal use. Can you see my cursor? That's the font I used. Then I use 24 points. Then I saw this other one, I use Calibri. It's where stem it. This one is the company's motto. This one is company's name and company's logo. I just use one for the logo. You get, I saw this actually, I saw this thing in this design. Sorry to picture, so I just had to redesign it myself. But it's not like this, but I just redesign it again like this to my own choice, my own text. So yeah, since I used Calibri, you can see normal Calibri bold. I just bold it and I utilize it. You can see my cursor. When you type, just go and click on bold. If I see you see on bold, Just click on that to just give you the same. Shortcut for it is Control B and Control A. That's to interlace, and to interlace Control A. That's to slant. Then Control B to bold. So after that, I'm just gonna copy this, then bring it over to the next workspace. Don't forget to work with your ruler. Don't forget that. Don't forget to work with your ruler. Okay, I think that's okay. Now let's bring my ruler. I'm just gonna come over. You can see my cursor. Just gonna move here. Just leave it like that. Then I can use my navigator key, my keyboard. These four arrows in your keyboard, that's navigator key. Is to make adjustment to it. After that, I'm just gonna right click, move to where my end of my full stop. You can see. Just move to my end to my full stop. Instead, I can just move my navigator key again to make it straight like that. Back to F4. So that's how to duplicate your ruler. So after that, next I'm going to this my flow into July. You can see something. This the reason for this ruler, they are very simple. So you know what you are doing next. No, I told you according to what I just say when I'm design what I told you when I'm designing flyer design for any company. First, company's name, company's logo, company's motto. After that, give a line. You know that okay, between this one and this one, okay, that will be the space that will differentiate okay between the company's name, company's logo, and company's catchy topic. That's what the flyer represents. Understand? So in this amazing flow into July, I used augmented sound black, then 50 points, then okay, let me just retap this one. Then so because I added little effect, just using flow into July, and I used 50 point. Let me change this to augmented sound black. Then I used 50. You can see my cursor, just do exactly what I'm doing. If you have your laptop or you have a computer, you can go turn it on so you could all work with me as I'm doing mine, so you get the same result. So after that you can just right click on, after it's just that one, hold your shift key, hold your shape, click on C, just like that. It will automatically take you to the center. That's shortcut for that. Then I used this color, this one, yes, or this other one, or this one. Yes, I use one. This one is magenta, but it's dark magenta. And you can find the color. Yes, I already used. I'm not going to waste more time. So after that, it's color Motica. Is it this one? No, use this one rather, or this one. Oh, let me just use this one. Then I change this color. You can see the July. Just double click on it. Hold the navigator key. Then hold your four. That's the arrow left. Right hand arrow. That's to our left. Then I give this orange color. Go back to your pick tool. Instead, I've got it that correctly. Then if you can see something, you can see something like outline and shadow. It's very simple. Let me show you. After that, click on F12, your functional key, shortcut for it. I already made a video for that. If you don't watch that, just 11 minutes, go watch it out so you know, be familiar with all these tools I'm explaining. And I used 0.28 inch, then it's scale with object and behind. The reason because so that the outline will go back of the text. Then change the color to white. Just do exactly what I'm doing. Yeah. Okay. Then after that, zoom it out like this. So it's what you're doing. Um, like this. Then come over to here, your shadow tool. Shadow tool. Then move. Just do exactly what I'm doing. You can see. Just move. So you occupies it properly. You can see that you can make adjustments. You can increase it to one side if you see anyone you like. So after that, you can see that was how good that effect. Simple like that. So let's continue. Then this magic skirt that moves like summer breeze. I used Modine one. Then I used 24 points. I'm not gonna type it again. I'm just gonna move. Hold my shift key. Gonna drop. Okay. So yeah, got it that correctly. Then next, we're going over to this part of that's what will make the flyer come alive. Let's continue. Then you can see I use this one is light effect. I'll show you that later. Let me take it to one side. See that? Then this one let me just copy everything. Let me just copy everything. And I'll explain how I did it one by one. Control C. Let me finish this one. Control V, objects, power clip, the set of frame. instead of this other one. Click. You see all that? So I'm gonna show you how I did it. I'm still gonna use this one I did though. This one already that I already done. I'm gonna show you I need it one by one. Okay, so let me show you. Starting from here, to get this my dummy, I use the same Gemini to generate them. You just have to black dummy with black cloth, just like this. So you know how to send the prompt to chat Gemini or ChatGPT, anyone upload anyone you know you can you know how to use and just use it. But you can actually as well get it from here. Let me just zoom it properly here like this. You can just take a screenshot like this. Okay, wait a sec. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. Yes. Just take a screenshot like this. Go over to movies.com, remove the background, just like that. You can still go over to Gemini, tell Gemini to remove every other thing, then leave these three dummy for you. You still get it like that. It's very simple. But if you see this one, there are three. There are three. You can see that. Let me move it so you can see. But this one, the three of them came together. So I have to tell you to remove so I could just make this one at the center. You can see that. Then this ribbon, that one is rainbow. You just have your pink ribbon. When you download the pink ribbon after remove the background, it means the color may be dull. Just come over to effects, auto adjust, just like that. It will give you this color back, this pink color. So let me take this one to the other side. Let me group this one first. Four. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. If you are here to subscribe, please do that in a second so you get notified when I drop amazing video like this. So after that, what's next? Let me move this one to one side. Very good. So what next? This one is very simple. This is just normal shape. I've talked on that in my previous video. I've done video lesson about this one. Just come over there, your shape tool to move edge like that. Then duplicate this one. Just hold on it. Hold your mouse, your shift key and your mouse. Your right click, then left click. That's to okay it. Then hold the two of them. F12. That's your grouping the two of them now. F12. Convert to width, increase it to 0.28. Then I always tell you in my video, I always tell you when you're drawing objects, you don't scale with objects and behind feet because this one they are not text. It's only applicable to text. So after that one, just like that, then you click your let me just let me ungroup this one. Control U. Then Control C. Finish editing. Control V. So when you just bring your image like this from after you do your Pinterest, I just search dress. This is how to get these your pictures. I got from Pinterest. Search for dress, then you get all these ones. Download the ones you want from there. It will be V when you import it. So after that, just go over to objects, right click on it. That's it's already highlighted. Power clip, place inside of frame, then right click. You see, you automatically go inside because inside the first one. You're not grouping the two objects. So you group the two, the thing it will not work. You can see that you just make adjustment to how you want it. Use the navigator key to position it properly of how you want, then finish editing. You see that? Got that correctly? Simple. You can see that. Then if you see something like this, you can see this other color behind. There are two colors that I used. This first one, just come out with this other shape. Then it give you this your. No, I didn't use black. I use this color. You can see something like this. Yes, yeah, very good. This is 10% black. See that? Then this other one is this 40% black or 30% blank of your choice. So that's why I go down to then after I group the two together. You can see very, very simple. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. I'm going to reply to you as soon as possible. That's why I did everything like this. I'll take this one back. Yeah, so yeah, basically that was what I did. That was what I did. Then this other one, still the same thing. Just draw your shape tool, has to curve the edge, then give this your color. Let's say we're using this one. Oh no. Let's say we're using this. No, this one. You're using this one. Then F12 first to remove the outline. None. Then F11. The reason for F11 is to give two color to a shape or to text. You can see this one. Look at, let me take this one to one side. You can see this part is dark, this part is someone light. You can see that. I'm showing you. The reason why this white came out because the default color is white. But then I'm going to click on this one, color, come over to, I think this color here, something like this, and then give you this color. You can see, make adjustment to how you want it, then you okay it. You see, very simple like that. So I'm going to delete it. After that, this one is very simple. This other part here, I drew the same shape. Go over to your pick tool, then Control Q, go out to curve. Double click on it, then double click on this other part again. You have to get your right angle triangle. That's that one. You see, they just place it very well and give it this a blue color. And after that, these two behind these two, they are balloon, summer balloon. Just as a balloon. But I got to design them. I have to take them to you understand. So after that, very simple. Let me show you how I did that one. After importing the image, just head over to effect, blur, Gaussian blur. Then I used 4.4 pixel. Use the same thing. Then you okay it. After that, then this my light. Oh, Control Z. Let me bring my light effect for you. Or let me just position all this properly first. Let me position it. Is it straight? I think it should be. Should be. Now let's finish and see something. Let's see. Oh, it's too up. You see, we did our guideline is gonna help us now. Our guideline is gonna help. Watch. You see, look at this guideline. This particular one. You can see my cursor. This particular guideline. This one is gonna help us. Now let's move it down. You can see that. That's the guideline that's gonna help us. That's where our text ended. Understand? So, and again, you can see this other one. You can see my cursor now. This other one will help us to know where it starts from. That's where our shape starts from. And let's move it a little bit. You can see that I've gotten it correctly. See, let's move it a little bit up. Yeah, like that. Just the same line like this. You can just make adjustment to how you want it. Let's finish. Let's go back to F4. You can see that got that correctly. I've gotten it correctly. The next, you can see this. Let me bring back the light effect. The light effect I put sample. Yes, I have a video on my channel where I talked about this light effect. But I'm going to show you again for the sake of this video. I will click on it, then I'm going to bring the light effect. You can see the light effect now. I'm just going to bring on it. Then, okay, you can see white light. Then next, what am I going to do? Is very simple. Come over to your transparency tool. Click on it. Move your cursor to. You see where there's this normal. Click on normal. Come over to screen. Click on screen. You can see you cannot see it. Just go over to kick to back. After that, you can see my cursor. You can see it. Just make your adjustment to how you want it to be. F4. Then make your adjustment to like this. At least if you see there will be this white too much this way because I don't need that white too much. Then I have to place it somewhere like this to the inside so it will fit that background. You see that, then take it upward. And I swear crop this part if you don't want, so it will not affect this other this part. Good, and this, and finish. You see that was a good one, very simple. And this other shape, still the same thing. I use this shape. You can see if we see when we zoom, see that same thing because we cropped the light effect. That was how it's like this. Well, you make adjustment to it properly so it will not show. You can see that curve. Okay, it and give it this color like that. You write the text on top. Let's make this light effect like this. Let me see something. Is this showing? No. You can see just something like it blended with the background. You see that? So let's see this other one. There's a little bit. Let's take a little bit downwards. No, yeah, like this. Like it works. Like this. Make sure to always zoom to see what you are doing. No, Make sure you see that correctly. So since we've done that, then I'm just going to bring this over. If you not subscribe, please do that. You can see this channel is helpful. You've learned a lot. Talked about the major things you need in designing a flyer for a clothing brand company in any country in the world. This method is applicable to all CorelDRAW, any CorelDRAW version you're using. This will work perfectly. Make sure to always keep your design simple and neat, not to be overcrowded. So that's basically how to do that. Thanks for watching. Then now let's click on F9 to see our preview. Okay, now don't forget to always remove your outline. F12 to remove your outline. None. Okay, then F9. You can see that I made this one myself. Then I explained how I did this one. This one. See, design is very sharp, modern. It's giving the vibe of branding company. Anyone that sees this one will want to patronize brand, and so that's how to do it. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. I'm convinced you already know how to do it. If you have any question, please put in the comment section. I'm going to reply to you. Reply to you any problem, any you have problem, or you have anything that you want me to design, put in the comment section. I'm gonna reply to you. This is my phone number. I have it also in my, I'll give it in my description if you want to reach out to me. A brand you want me to work for you, I'm leaving my number in the description below. This is my phone number as well, because I don't want to use the company's number. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next lesson. I always drop video every Wednesday and Saturday 8 p.m. So thank you.